We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for returns for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc. And the stock continues to explode to the upside and continuing within the volatility to show strength. But within the volatility, it did have a slight pullback, and it was not the only stock pulling back. The overall market pulled back, and our SPY bot sent us out a bear indicator at around 12:40 p.m. And from that moment forward, put options 2 to 3x within minutes, guys. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now gain access to this resource as well and join the members that are using it to maximize within the volatility. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator and getting connected over with the SPY bot. So here we are with Bbig stock showing that strength, but we're going to have to look at key levels of resistance and support moving forward into tomorrow, because today it had an explosive move, and the question is, could it hold it up or will it lose steam pretty quickly? So we're going to break it down in today's video, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the 3 stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them gave 5 to 10%, 10 to 20%, but 2 of them turned out to be a home run, and this is how they performed and when we caught them. So the first one here is HUSN. It was sitting sideways, slightly dipped after the bell, and it finally reversed with strength on 42 vision, that extra layer of confirmation of that bull indicator, and it hit a highest point of 25% plus in a matter of minutes. And then we got here the home run of the day that turned out to be spectacular and beyond expectations, and that is NRSN. It was under a bull indicator since the day before, consolidated in the pre-market. Towards the bell, the consolidation continued, and you could see that full strength on 42 vision, consolidated again, and went up for a highest point of 400% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc. And it continues to show strength here within this consolidation and going up higher each and every single day for the last several days and week, right? So let's go ahead and pull up ultimate 42 vision bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well and join the members that are maximizing within the opportunities within the volatility, guys. Once again, the link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator. So here we are under a bull indicator since March 15th at around $2. Strength has started to pick up all the way up towards today, and no bear indicator has popped up to negate this bull indicator. That's what we've talked about here in our videos. We were watching to see if eventually within the volatility a bear indicator would pop up to negate this bull indicator, because this bear indicator popped up way back here in the 230s, went down to a new all-time low, hit extreme weakness, shifted into strength, and here we see it continuing under that bull indicator, negated this bear indicator, and so far no bear indicator has popped up to negate the strength of this bull indicator. Now we have the bigger picture to look at, and that is the 4-hour and the 1-day, and that's what we're going to break down in just a moment. But today was a strong day to the point that it hit a high here of 328, almost 330, right? And rejected, and it's trying to go back up towards that. So we're going to talk about key levels here based off the history of the chart and what the 30-minute is showing today. So the 4-hour here has been under a bull indicator since 218. You could see it there, and no bear indicator all along, and a full transition from extreme weakness, white with red border, shifted into red with green, dark green, and bright green, right? So this is a full transition to the upside, plus that bull indicator as an extra layer of confirmation. This has been a strong move so far. Now we need the continuation to hold, but not only on the 4-hour and the 30-minute, but most of all on the 1 day, guys. This is how it started last time, and this is not guaranteed to happen again, but you could see that move there. Bull indicator shifted from extreme weakness to red with green borders, dark green, bull indicator as an extra layer of confirmation, and then it went into bright green 2 times consecutively before reversing to the downside, right? So here we are at these steps right here, guys. We got the bull indicator here on the 1 day, that large green bar, and the next shift would be bright green and a continuation of it by breaking through resistance levels and coming back and forth in that direction, right? Excuse my drawing. As I always say, I'm terrible at drawing, but we want those bars to be larger than the previous one and have those wicks to the upside like it did here. Is it guaranteed to do the same move? No, but if it gets caught up in a squeeze, this could move substantially further up and break through resistance levels that we've been watching and talking about, right? So let's go ahead and pull up the 30-minute and break it down. So here we have the 30-minute pulled up, and one of the first things we want to look at is where it's struggling to stay above, right? Right now it's sitting right around that area, and that is the resistance up here of $3 to $3.10, right? Once that gets broken through, if this could break towards the highs of the day, the next levels would be up here at around 360, 364, give or take. And then above that, the recent highs of 393 and getting towards $4. I think that would be key. But right now, those are key levels to keep in mind. But based off the charts and going into tomorrow, these are the key levels to watch, right? The first thing is the support down here of 283. If that gets broken through, the next point of reference here is 275, and then all the way back down here to 240s, right? So definitely levels to watch here on the downside and see if the bulls have an opportunity to come back up and bring it to the upside, right? Like bounce off of those and use them as supports. Now, on the closer and tight end here, we have 310, which is key, but most importantly is 328, getting towards 330, and then breaking out towards the 360s. And then we could start talking about higher levels above that, as I stated earlier in the video. So super important to keep these levels in mind. And if you guys want to receive this clarity to be able to see the dips and the rips and have that extra layer of confirmation with the bull and bear indicators where there's strength and weakness in the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, to the 42 vision indicator, and getting connected over to the SpyBot to receive the clarity you deserve and maximize on opportunities and join the members that are receiving this clarity as well, guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.